I recently purchased the Welding Facemask, and I have to say, it's been a game changer for my welding projects. The first thing that caught my attention was its sturdy build and sleek design. Made from durable polypropylene, it feels like it can handle some serious work without wearing out quickly. One of the features I appreciate the most is its built-in battery compartment, which takes a single CR2032 battery. This not only makes it convenient to power up, but also ensures I can keep working without interruptions. Plus, the fact that the battery is included is a nice touch, saving me the hassle of hunting down the right type. In terms of protection, the Welding Facemask does an excellent job. It shields my face from sparks and UV rays, providing the necessary safety measures for my welding tasks. The visibility through the mask is clear, allowing me to see my work with precision without compromising on safety. Another aspect worth mentioning is its packaging. The dimensions of the package, 300 200 220 mm 11.8 17.8 8.66 inches, make it compact and easy to store when not in use. And despite its sturdy construction, it's surprisingly lightweight at only 390 grams, 13.76 ounces, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Overall, I'm highly satisfied with the Welding Facemask. It's well built, provides excellent protection, and offers the convenience I need for my welding projects. Whether you're a professional welder or hobbyist, I highly recommend adding this face mask to your arsenal. Welding Mask Solar Automatic Dimming Large View True Color 130 High Temperature Resistant Welder Auto Darkening Welding Helmet.